We're cutting out our inner skin to expose the rotted wood. And then we're going in there and chiseling it out. In some cases, vacuuming out the rotted core. Scotty and Derek are giving the inner laminate a grinding down to nice fresh fiberglass, preparing the surface for our core replacement and lamination. Well, before taking off for the day, we got our templates done for our core replacement. We'll be coming in the morning and getting those done and working our way at getting our core laminated into our gunnel lid. Even this morning, we banged out the replacement core for gunnel cap. We're replacing this with a high density perf foam. Before the lamination process, we need to glue our core material in place. We do that by using a couple of layers of 1 ounce mat and a little bit of our secret paste. The boys glued in the new core material. We used an old-fashioned way of gluing the core in. That's called weights. Reason why we don't vacuum bag our core on a part like this is our concern for it twisting under vacuum because the laminate is so old. Coming up on our next update video, we will be going through the lamination process of the gunnel cap. So stay tuned.